Hello. My name is Anna and today I asked my mum if I also can draw with her and she delightedly agreed. First of all, please subscribe to my channel and if you enjoy the video please hit the like button too. So here we are drawing a frog together. I think my mum can literally draw everything. I hope I can be like her someday. So I am practicing from now. I think this is so easy and I am just 7. If I can draw this easily, so can you. Are you wondering out of all animals why did I choose frog? That's because frogs always fascinate me how they spend whole winters sleeping and hiding to keep themselves warm. I mean, don't they get bored? Can you believe that frogs have been to space? In 1970, NASA sent a group of frogs to space to observe their development under zero gravity. Wow! That's amazing, isn't it? I wish I were a frog. Going to space would be so much fun. But I wonder what happened to those frogs afterwards. Our frog is ready. Let's color the frog with a neon green highlighter. Isn't this color cool? How cool is the final look? I am loving it. Did you enjoy the video? If yes, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Leaving you with a smile until next time.